Hi, I'm Viktor, simulation specialist at PLM Group. In this video I will show how to save a SOLIDWORKS model to the platform and apply a material to it in preparation for simulation. So I have my SOLIDWORKS model here. I will go to the 3DEXPERIENCE task pane and right click on the part in the tree here and click save and do the save in the regular way. So I'm saving it to my space and letting it perform the save. And once it's done, I can choose to unlock it so that it's not being in use in two places at the same time. So I'm going to unlock it here. Okay, then I will mark it. I will click the compass and I will open it in the appropriate app. So in preparation for simulation, let's open it with a model assembly design. Model assembly design. So let's open it in that. And here's the part open now in the 3DEXPERIENCE interface, and we are in model assembly design where we can do some preparations like apply material and also automate the meshing if we want. So let's apply the material first here. So I will search for the plain carbon steel material. Alright, so here we have the materials that I can find that are already in the tenant or in the workspace. So let's pick this one. And in the simulation domain, there are a few behaviors defined. There is one with plasticity behavior, so material data to analyze plasticity. And there is also one without plasticity, just for a purely elastic analysis. So I will click on the menu here, click apply, and I can choose to apply it to the part here. I can also choose to apply it on the tree, which is what I'll do. So I'm going to click here. And okay. Now the material is applied and it can be used for simulation. So I'm going to close this one and we're done. Thank you for watching.